Chapter 22, Zakat and Tabung Haji. In this chapter, you are going to learn how to enable Zakat and Tabung Haji, maintain Zakat and Tabung Haji at employee maintenance, auto deduction from salary, process payroll and view details, input Zakat paid directly by employee. So before we proceed with task 22.1, we are going to read through the notes for chapter 2. Tom Cruise requests the company to auto-deduct contribution of Zakat and Tabung Haji from his monthly salary. RM35 for Zakat and 100 ringgit for Tabung Haji. So usually this Zakat and Tabung Haji are mainly for the Muslim employee. So to do task 22.1, to enable Zakat and Tabung Haji at company profile, we have to go to the tools and then company profile. After that, we need to go through the contribution and payout setting. So we need to go to the visibility, which is this one, and if you wish to use Zakat and Tabung Haji, you need to click on the box here. Okay, so after you have done, you can go to on the save button. Data updated successfully. So for the next task 22.2, to edit Zakat and Tabung Haji at employee maintenance, we have to go to the payroll, and after that we have to go to the employee and employee maintenance. So we have to make sure which employee that want to deduct the Zakat and Tabung Haji. So currently is Tom Cruise, so we need to edit on the Tom Cruise, and we need to go to the statutory requirement. So under statutory requirement here, you need to scroll until you find the others, which is this one, and then you can see the Zakat number. Okay, so you need to key in the Zakat number for the Tom Cruise, H77222. Zakat amount is 35 ringgit. Okay, and the Tabung Haji number is 1200320005500, and the Tabung Haji amount is 100. So every month, these two amount will be deducted from the Tom Cruise salary. So after you done, don't forget to save on the details. So click on save to save all the changes. So employee updated successfully. So for the next task 22.3 is to run the payroll process. So now we're going to see how the Zakat and Tabung Haji will be reflected in the payroll process. So to run the payroll process, we go to the general maintenance, and then we need to go to the payroll management and then process payroll. Okay, so here this is, I think the last time you already have Tom Cruise. So let's see whether this is Tom Cruise. Yes, so I just need to reset to see whether the employee paid Zakat is reflected or not. So I click on reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. Reset successfully. Okay, so we continue, and okay, we see whether the Zakat is reflected. So you can see there is a Zakat here, 35 ringgit. Okay, and then okay, this is Zakat. Yes, Tabung Haji amount 100. So this amount will be under deduction. You will deduct from the employee salary. Okay, so you can actually see the PCB calculation details as well. So PCB will be reduced because of the Zakat. Okay, so the last task, which is task 22.4, which is employee paid zakat directly. So there's a note there. It says that for this month, Tom Cruise has paid 100 extra for zakat directly at zakat counter. He has submitted the proof together with TP1 form to HR manager for PCP deduction. So in case this Tom Cruise did that, and then you need to go to the process payroll here. Okay. And then you go to the same payroll process. Okay, and then under details here, you need to edit the payroll detail for Tom Cruise, key in 100 and employee paid zakat field. So which is this one. So you need to key in the employee paid zakat field 100. Okay, and then you need to save and recalculate all. After you're done, you need to view the payroll details, which is employee paid zakat. You can see the 100 ringgit was actually reflected in here, and then the PCP calculation will be reduced as well under this one, PCP tax. Okay, so this is the additional 100 that Tom Cruise made for the zakat.